Dhingra and you're watching M3M Live. So Gurugrammers, the wait is finally over. You would finally know why you've been seeing people chilling, eating, working out and partying over the clouds. As per the sources, I am told there's a rising icon in M3M Golf Estate. There's a project which is launched by the name of M3M Altitude, which has the largest air club of Gurugram. And the luxury lifestyle over there is above everything else. Keep watching for more updates.